Introducing the new automated plate machining seat that provides a complete set of capabilities required for fast, efficient, and automated programming of mold and die plates. It includes a new manufacturing, feature recognition, and new strategies for pocketing, chamfering, and 2D cleanup. Let's load a mold plate. Now we will analyze the pockets that need to be machined. We get the results indicating 27 different pockets. However, some of the holes need to be drilled and not milled as pockets. No problem. Pocket Manager can filter them out by setting the minimal diameter to be milled. Now we get only 15 pockets. Another option is to select pockets manually by clicking on a pocket floor. The system automatically recognizes the pocket. In this example, we selected 7 pockets, and now we will start defining the machining procedures. Now we will define a volume pocket procedure. With this new procedure, we no longer need to select contours and Z-tops and Z-bottoms for each contour. Just select pockets and the system has all the required geometrical data. That's it. You are ready to execute. Now we will demonstrate the new 2D cleanup procedure. This is not based on stock, rather on previous tool diameter. Therefore, it calculates quickly. All the user needs to do is pick the same pockets that were defined previously in the Pocket Manager. Notice the contours Z-tops and Z-bottoms are selected automatically from the Pocket Manager. The user only needs to specify the previous and current tools and the cutting conditions. Now let's execute and examine the results. We are seeing the toolpath and the updated stock. Each color represents a different procedure. Now let's zoom in to one of the corners and navigate to see tool motion as the corner cleanup operation is conducted. In the new chamfer operation, we select the contours and specify the chamfer as an imaginary contour, meaning that the geometry is not defined as part of the CAD model. It will be automatically created using the procedure's chamfer parameters. Let's execute the procedure. Now, let's check the results. Zooming in, we can see the tool cut the chamfer in several passes. And now we will look at the whole process, start to finish. The initial stock, the volume pocket toolpath, the stock after the volume pocket procedure, the 2D cleanup toolpath, the stock after the 2D cleanup, the chamfer toolpath, and the resulting final stock. As you can see, the new automated plate machining provides safer and faster programming without manual input and retyping, resulting in drastically reduced errors and mistakes.